Intro. Welcome to Escape Camper Life, our go-to source for the latest RV reviews, tips, and industry news. If you love RV life and want to stay updated, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Now, let's dive into the 2025 Unity Twin Bed. The 2025 Unity Twin Bed from Leisure Travel Vans is here, and it brings some exciting updates for RV enthusiasts looking for comfort, style, and functionality. Built on the reliable Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis, this luxury Class B Plus motorhome offers an incredible balance of maneuverability and spaciousness, making it perfect for long road trips or weekend getaways. One of the biggest highlights of the 2025 model is its refined interior design. The twin bed layout remains, offering a spacious and comfortable sleeping area that easily converts into a large king-size bed when needed. The high-quality upholstery and premium materials throughout the cabin create a modern and inviting atmosphere. The newly designed cabinetry provides better storage solutions without compromising on style, featuring soft closed drawers and a sleek European-inspired finish. Technology has also seen an upgrade. The updated touchscreen control system allows you to monitor and adjust lighting, climate, and tank levels with ease. The integrated smart home features make it even more convenient to customize settings from your smartphone. The entertainment system has been enhanced with a larger LED TV and upgraded sound system, ensuring that movie nights on the road are more immersive than ever. The kitchen is compact yet highly functional, equipped with a new convection microwave, a 2-burner induction cooktop, and an upgraded fridge with more storage capacity. The solid surface countertops and deep stainless steel sink make meal prep and clean up simple and efficient. With improved ventilation and additional USB charging ports, this kitchen is designed to meet modern needs. The bathroom continues to impress with its spacious layout, featuring a separate shower with glass doors, a porcelain toilet, and a redesigned vanity with improved storage. The skylight above the shower brings a natural light, making the space feel open and airy. Driving the 2025 Unity Twin Bed is smoother than ever, thanks to the advanced Mercedes-Benz safety and assistance features. Adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system provide peace of mind while navigating highways or tight camping spots. The improved suspension and quieter cabin design make long drives more comfortable and enjoyable. Leisure Travel Vans has also focused on enhancing energy efficiency. The solar panel system has been upgraded for better off-grid capabilities, and the lithium battery package ensures you have reliable power wherever you go. Paired with energy-efficient LED lighting and a high-performance heating and cooling system, this RV is designed for year-round comfort. Overall, the 2025 Unity Twin Bed is a refined and well-equipped motorhome that continues to set the standard for luxury travel. Whether you're an experienced driver or just starting your journey, this model delivers everything you need in a compact yet spacious design. Outro. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Unity Twin Bed. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take this RV on your next adventure? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.